In this video, what I want to do is give you a quick tour of the SAS Lounge located in Stockholm Arlanda Airport. We were on a flight heading back home and we decided to visit it to kill some time. Followed the signs that were just everywhere telling you where to go. No problems there at all as far as signage goes. We made our way through, got checked in, and entered the lounge. One of my first impressions of the lounge when I walked through was it is busy. I mean, it looks massive and just packed with people. We walked around for a little bit just trying to find a place to sit, and I have to say it was quite difficult. It seemed that all of the spots had been filled up already and people were not going anywhere. Finally, I'd say after about 10 minutes or so, a couple seats opened up and we made our way over to them. The lounge has definitely a nice area for eating, although when you look at the food, it's just not quite that appetizing. They have great coffee, cappuccino machine going there, and if you have a desire for alcohol, they have a self-service bar there which you can take advantage of. Not only spirits, wines, but they also have beer. They do have wine on tap and beer on tap. It was a little bit strange because they had all the bottles out there. And there's plenty of beer to select from in the cold refrigerator. Overall, I didn't find the food to be really all that appetizing, but if you're hungry, it does do the trick to get you filled up. A lot of carbohydrates in there and a lot of greens. So you got some healthy choices there for your meal. The actual eating area, it's raised tables, and they do have plug-in power stations there. And they're doing their best to keep them cleaned off, but there's so many people coming and going, they have trouble staying up with it. Continued to walk through the lounge, check it out a little bit more. Over in this particular area, you have your phone rooms. The phone rooms are really nice if you want to get away from the noise, because it is noisy there with everybody talking. So you can go in and do some work on your computer, make some quiet calls in there. So I found that to be very nice. And looking at the carpet that was in the lounge, it was stained. It's definitely in need of repair. I don't know if SAS has a plan on redoing it, but it really needs a little bit of attention. There are some beautiful views out there of the airport tarmac, and it's nice to sit there when the sun's shining and have a nice view while you do whatever you have to do. Anyway, just a quick tour. Thanks for watching Pat's Adventures, and I hope this answers any of your questions about the lounge that you might have. A nice getaway place to get away from the crowd. So see what you think. Thank you very much. Leave a comment also.